Best 5 free inventory management softwares for small businesses. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about some of the best inventory management systems for free that you can use for your small businesses. So let's get into it. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you the overall usage of these softwares, their features, their pricing, and all of the features that they offer and how easy it is to use them, right? So let's get into it. So starting off, we're going to go ahead and continue with Zoho inventory management. If you know what Zoho is a online platform that has multiple different tools that you can use, and one of those tools is inventory. Now you can access Zoho inventory over here, and you can go ahead and use it and keep track of it for free as well. So click over here on this button, go ahead and get started with the Zoho inventory. And this is how the Zoho inventory looks like. It's a pretty simple software, and the layout is also very simple as well. You have your dashboard over here where you will see everything to be stocked, to be shipped, to be delivered, invoiced. You can see all of your items over here that you have currently. I have nothing, this is just demo, but still you will be able to see your top selling items over here. You can even sort them by month, date, week, day, yesterday, year, whatever you want. You can even add like a custom order as well, and sales order over here. On the left hand side, you can click on inventory to click on item to go ahead and add items over here. You can add item groups. Inventory and adjustments are going to be available over here. You can have sales option where you can add customers, sales orders, packages, shipment, invoices. All of those are going to be over there. You're going to have your purchase orders over here where you can go ahead and add your vendors, so you can go ahead and keep a track about all of your purchases, your billings, your payments, and you also have a bunch of integration options as well. You can integrate it with UPS, USPS, AfterShip, EasyShip, Envia, and other options should they exist. So it's pretty cool software. It's easy to use. Everything is simple and it's free as well. You can upgrade your plan by clicking over here on the upgrade section, and it is going to cost you 25 euros. It's going to start at 25 euros and go all the way up to 200 euros, and these are annually. If you go with monthly, it's going to be 29 euros per month, and professional is going to be 79 euros, premium is going to be 130, well 129 but still 130, and the enterprise is going to be 139 rounded up to 140. You will be able to save a bunch of money if you go with the annual route. And here you can see you've got your add-ons as well. So plans, add-ons, pay, confirmation, and you can see all the features that you have. So in the minimum plan, you have 500 orders, 2 users, 2 locations, 500 invoices, and 300 bills, and you have a client portal. Other than that, you don't get any serial number batch, vendor portal, advanced multi-currency, and automation or analytics or bins or anything else. So yeah, I would say it's a little bit expensive, but it is what it is. So this was Zoho. Now you know how much it costs, how it works, some of the cool things about it. And moving on, we're going to go ahead and move over to number 2, which is Square Inventory. Now Square Inventory is also a free inventory software, and you can use it to go ahead and manage your inventory. And let's go ahead and get started. You will need a Square account. I think I already have an account, but let's go ahead and get started and see, and click on the sign in. And let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here we go. So now we're logged in, and this is how it looks like. In terms of UI, I really like Squarespace's UI. It's very simple and easy. It has this little minimalistic thing going on. Nice colors and everything's laid out over here as well. On the left hand side, again, very similar to Zoho, you have all of your options. You've got items and services where you can go ahead and list them, add all of them over here. You've got item library, listing, service library, image library, modifiers, categories, discount, units, all of them. You even have some settings as well. Same thing for payments and invoices. You've got orders where you can see all of your orders, shipments, order partners, subscriptions, disputes if you have some. You've got your customers, you've got your online, you've got your report, you've got your staff over here, and here you can see all of your data. So you've got your key metrics, you've got your net sales, gross sales, returns, refunds, average net sales. You've got your customers, payment types, items, and category as well. You can set those up as well. Got your My Business over here where you can go ahead and get started and set up other options. But yeah, here in the item section, you can see this is the item library. Here you will be able to go ahead and set up your inventory and add all of your items are going to be available over here. You can import them as well. They have done a little bit of UI overhaul. Before it was a little bit different. It had all of these options laid out, but now they're more compact. they're itemized as well, which is pretty cool, I would say, but it is what it is. They also give you like a search bar, so you can go ahead and type in whatever you want and quickly go into that. So let's say customers. I can just simply, you can add your customers over here, and you can search for your specific customer over here if you have them. So again, pretty simple. And if you want to upgrade them, you can upgrade it as well. So as I said before, it's free to use. But now, one of the cool things about Square's inventory management is that it is free. Yeah, it is free. But the main plan that you would have to purchase is their Square for Retail. So Square for Retail is their main pricing plan, and it includes inventory as well. This is their whole system. So you can see right here, it starts at $29 per month. It also has some processing fees, and the custom is going to be, well, you know, custom, you're going to have to go ahead and ask them for it. And down below, you can check them out. So you can see right here, Square's point of sale, restaurant, inventory, retail, online store, appointment. These are all the tools that are available over here, and inventory is available in it. So inventory separately, you can use it free, but if you want other options, then you have to go ahead and purchase Square Retail. But since we are just talking about inventory, so we'll just skip this. So we'll just count it as free for Square. Moving on, we'll go ahead and open up Odoo Inventory. So Odoo, again, is a all-in-one tool that has many tools, and inventory management being one of them. So you can see right here, all these tools are available, and inventory is available over here, and you can get started by clicking on the Start Now button. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. I don't think I have an account on Odoo for inventory management, so I'm going to go ahead and set up. So setting it up is pretty simple. First name, last name, company, email, address, and boom, you're good to go. So here is inventory right underneath the supply chain. So I've created an account, and if I click over here, you can see free with unlimited users forever. So we're going to click on continue. All right. So this is the dashboard for Odoo. So this is going to be your main hub. And here you've got your dashboard, your inventory, manufacturing, everything basically. And here is the inventory option. If you click on it, this is how it would look like. So you've got your receipts, got your delivery orders, manufacturers over here. Over here, this is the overview. You've got your operations. Products are going to be listed over here, reporting and configuration. Click on products. You can go ahead and add all of them over here. You can see right here, currently we don't have one. We can create a new product by clicking on the new button and adding it. It is as simple as that. Overall, it's a pretty simple option and free as well. So you won't have to worry about anything. And over here, you can see products, operations. Here you will see your receipts, deliveries, manufacturers, scrape, replenish, and overview, of course, overview. And it's pretty simple. It doesn't have a lot of other options in terms of feature wise, you know, it's a very simple option. You do get your employees, you do get your shop floor, barcode, dashboard, and other options. But in terms of inventory wise, it's a very simple as it gets basically. So yeah, this was it. Moving on, we have Xero inventory. So Xero.com. This is the inventory over here. You can try it for free, and no credit card or anything like that. It will require you to get a plan, but we'll get into that later and see how much it will cost. So first I'm going to sign up over here. Okay, so for some reason it keeps giving me this error. I don't understand why, but I suppose I don't know what's wrong, but I've tried it a couple of times and I can't seem to try it for free or get started or sign up or anything. So I guess we'll skip this one and move over to Bittrex 24. So Bittrex is also a pretty cool tool. Like Odoo, like Zoho, it has many tools, including inventory. So here you can see resources, product over here. And you can see right here, you've got all these different products like CRM. Everything in CRM is going to be available as well. You've got tax and projects, everything over here, like task management, project management, automation, sites and stores, website builders, online stores, HR, Copilot. You can click on see all tools to see all the tools, but that's besides the point. We are here for the inventory management. So we're going to go ahead and see what it is. So here is the overview. So if we click over here, this is how it's going to look like. Simple overview over here. And we can start working with inventory management by clicking on this button over here. And they say they have a new interface. So let me check that out. But let's go ahead and click on try for free. And this is how it looks like. This is Bittrex's whole area. And here on the left hand side, this is the inventory management. So we're going to click over here and open it up. So when you first, select it, it's going to pop up over here. So this little pop up, you got to select the method, costing method. I'm going to select the average and click on inventory. And here we got to go ahead and create our first stock adjustment. This is how it looks like. So let me just close that up. So here we've got vendors, we've got total, we've got stats, we've got type, inventory, and here we have the create button where we can create the product. So here we can create the product, service, we can add their barcodes, quantity, warehouse, where it is stored. Everything is going to be available over here. We can even connect, let's say, Zoho inventory or QuickBooks and more, and migrate the data from there to here as well. So again, very simple. You've got totals, vendors, responsible persons, modified status type, inventory document name, and you've got your products over here. So again, very simple. And if you want to see how much it would cost, this is how much it would cost. So we can see right here, we've got the basic, the 45, the standard 47, professional is going to be 93. So we can see how much it was cost, and down below we can see the level of usage we get. So CRMs, tasks, collaboration, there's 3 cells or 3 dots, but we only get 2 dots or 1 dot in the standard one, and we mostly get 2 dots and also other options in the standard one as well. I don't see any inventory option over here, which means that it should be available in everything, so which is pretty good. So you won't have to worry about this unless there was like specified that, hey, inventory is available only in the professional, then we would need to say that that's the only price. But since it doesn't, it means that it's available for free in any plan. So there you go. These were the top 4, one of the best inventory management softwares out there. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.